Supreme Court has directed that the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for postgraduate courses Neet-Pg 2025, scheduled to be held on June 15, must be conducted in a single shift instead of the previously planned two. A bench led by Justice Vikram Nath and comprising Justices Sanjay Kumar and N.V. Anjaria passed the order while hearing a plea challenging the notification that had allowed the exam to be conducted in two separate shifts. The court observed that holding the exam in two shifts would lead to arbitrariness, as different sets of question papers can never be said to be having an identical level of difficulty or ease. It emphasized that conducting the examination in multiple shifts compromises fairness and uniformity among candidates. The bench further directed the concerned authorities to make necessary arrangements for a single shift examination and ensure complete transparency in the process. The decision comes amid growing concerns about the integrity and standardization of national level entrance examinations.